Welcome back to Chang Fun Learning. In the last video, we practiced how to pronounce the two sets of compound finals. And today, we're going to learn another three sets of compound finals. Here is the first one. And let's see, how do you pronounce the E and A together? Ya. And then IAO, yao, because this one is E and then A, wo, so yao. And then give this one a third tone, ye, and then yo. So IU should sound like yo. When there is an initial, the yo, IOU, it's simplified as IU. So it's yo, and then IAN is yen, and then IN is yin, IANG, yang or yang. So if you have ever heard yin and yang, and then ING, yung, IONG, yung, because ONG is on, and then with the E is yong. And if there's no initial before the E is written as Y. So for the IA, we do YA, ya, yao, yang, yung, ye, yen, yo, or yo, as in have, has, yo. Let's practice real quick before we start learning the next one. Go ahead and pause the video right now and then try to pronounce these pinyin by yourself. Then after you come back, we'll pronounce them together. Go ahead, pause the video. Okay, let's try to pronounce them together. Number 1, bin. And this one, xia, or xia. And then JIA is jia, and I'm IAN. It's with the yen, and then the m, so mian. And then ING here is yung, XIONG. Think about the finals, the compound finals first before you pronounce the whole thing. Yung, and then with the xi, so xiong, and then YOU, yo or yo, and then YNG, ong. Compound final is ong, and then with the E, so yang, and then tian, and then DIAO, the IAO is yao. Let's give it a fourth tone, diao, and then this one is ye, or ye, and then IONG, yong, qiong, and then QIU, qiu, LIANG, yang, then with the L is liang, or liang, and then NIAO, niao, means bird, niao, and then PIE is not pie, it's pie, or pie with different tones, pie. And then the next set is the U compound finals. So U and A, put them together, wa, and then wo, UAI, y, and then UI pronounced as UEI. UI should sound like UEI, way, then UAN, one, and then the UN should sound like UEN, when, and then UANG, wang, or wang, and then UENG, weng. So when there is an initial, the way and when are simplified as UI, way, and then UN, when, just like hui or lun. And then also, U becomes W. The U becomes W if there's no initial for that pinyin. So if it's just UA, then it's WA. And then if it's just UO, then it's WO, like 我, like I, me. In Chinese, 我, then 喂, like when you pick him up the phone, you say 喂, and then 弯, wang, weng, wu. Okay? And then the next one is the yu and yue, or yue, moon in Chinese, yue, and then yu an, yuan, and then yun, yun. If there's no initial before the yu, add y and drop the two dots over the u here. So it's yun, yu or yu as fish in Chinese. And then yue, moon, yuan, Chinese RMB, yuan. Okay, let's practice them. Go ahead and pause the video and then try by yourself, and then we'll try together. Okay, let's pronounce them together. First one, yue, and then just change the initial, jue, and then xun, zhui, G-U-A-I, 怪, the Y and then the G, 怪, and then 缺, Q is 机七夕的七, and then with 约, so 缺, then T-U-O is not 头, it's the 乌, so 托, then this one, Y is 微, it's 微, right? It's 微, so 吃, 微, 脆, and then the 乌啊呢, one, so 栓, and then 翁, 轮, UN, 温, with the l, 轮, and then 钻, Z-U-A-N, 钻, and then C-H-U-N-G, the U-A-N-G is 汪 or 王, so 窗, and then 窝 with Z, it's 桌, and then 蛙 with H, it's 花, flower, 花, and then yun, wen with the ji is 君. Okay, last one. You're doing great. This is the last one. So it's the ER. It's or R. In Chinese, R is second. For example, this one, 儿子 is son. And then the last one, 女儿 is daughter. 女儿. And then 耳朵 means ear. 耳朵. And then 而且 and 而且 is and also. So when 儿 is at the end of the pinyin, we call it 儿化音. So 儿化音 is a peculiar pronunciation phenomenon you find in oral Chinese language. You add 儿 after most of the nouns. For example, when pronounced little children, little kid is 小孩 instead of saying 小孩儿, this one here is 小孩 not 小孩儿. And then the character 儿 is usually placed at the end of the phrase, and the stress of the phrase is usually placed on the syllable in front of 儿. So let's pronounce flower 花. If we want to use the 儿化音 to pronounce it, it's 花, and then park 公园. If we add the 儿化音, then we say it 公园, not 公园儿, and then 小孩. Okay, and then in the next video, we will talk about the last thing about Pinyin, the tones, the tonal marks. In the next video, we'll talk about the 5 tones in Chinese through a story. I will see you in the next video.